ICE Learning Center, Infiltration. The link to view or amend data related to infiltration can be found in the General tab under Global Data. Here is the form where the user specifies infiltration data. On the left-hand side, the method of infiltration is specified, whether it's calculated depending on the wind pressure or whether it's a fixed infiltration rate. And on the right-hand side is the definition of the distribution of the infiltrated air into the zones. If you want the infiltration to be calculated depending on the wind pressure, we need to select this radio button. Or if it's a fixed infiltration rate, we need to select this radio button. You can specify infiltration with different units. The same is true for the distribution of the infiltration into the zones. As a default, the infiltration is distributed proportional to the external surface area. As we can see here, if we would calculate the infiltration depending on the wind pressure, we would have half of the air change at a pressure difference of 50 Pascal. In order to determine the pressure acting on the building envelope, we need to specify pressure coefficients. They are accessed either through this hyperlink or by going to Global Data and clicking onto Pressure Coefficients. Pressure coefficients are used to calculate wind pressure on the different external surfaces of a building in relation to the wind speed and wind direction. Pressure coefficients are dependent on the building shape as well as on surrounding aerodynamic conditions. CFD calculations or wind tunnel measurements are required for good precision. In simple cases, handbook data can give acceptable information. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video useful. You will find more videos if you go to Help and Process Guides. There is a whole series of videos stored there. Under Help, you will also find our Getting Started guide as a PDF document. Also, never hesitate to contact support or write to our forum for further questions or support. And remember to check out our website. Under Events, there you can find upcoming courses. We frequently host beginners and advanced courses on various topics.